Article presentation by Tiffany Belfler. The article that I chose is called Self-Care and Well-Being in Mental Health Professionals: The Mediating Effects of Self-Awareness and Mindfulness. This article was written by Kelly C. Richards, Estelle C. Campenny, and Janet L. Muse-Burke. It was published in the Journal of Mental Health Counseling in July of 2010. I think that this article fits well with Lesson 19 in our case management class. Lesson 19 is about self-care for mental health professionals. The article provides information about why self-care is crucial in the mental health field. Mental health professionals are susceptible to issues such as depression, burnout, and vicarious trauma. These problems arise from emotional strain and bearing witness to the pain and fear of trauma. This article discusses the importance of self-care to avoid those issues. Self-care is directly linked to self-awareness and well-being, both of which play a significant role in the mental health professionals. Self-care is often looked at in three categories: spiritual, physical, and psychological. Self-awareness is knowing oneself, being aware of one's behaviors, thoughts, and emotions. If a mental health professional is not self-aware, it will be difficult to know when something is wrong. Mindfulness involves awareness and attention to one's surroundings. Mindfulness involves both internal and external factors of cognitions and emotions. The authors of this article conducted a study of 148 mental health professionals to examine the connections between self-care and well-being with self-awareness and mindfulness. This study was conducted using a survey. Participants were asked questions in the categories of self-care, self-awareness, mindfulness, and well-being. The study showed that self-awareness was not an important mediator between self-care and well-being. The results of the study showed that self-care importance was directly linked to well-being, as was mindfulness. This means that self-care and mindfulness play a crucial role in the well-being of mental health professionals. The study also showed that mindfulness is an important mediator between self-care importance and well-being, meaning that mindfulness plays a role in how a mental health professional views the importance of self-care. Mindfulness was not a mediator between self-care frequency and well-being. This information provided can be extremely valuable to case managers. A case manager must practice self-care if they wish to be successful in their career for an extended period of time. Case managers deal with heavy emotions and heavy situations. The study shows how important self-care and mindfulness is to well-being. A case manager should always keep this information in their mind so that they do not forget the significance of self-care.
Created using Powtoon.